name is Jay Danberg, and we are going to do a quick walkthrough, feature and benefit of this American classic. This is the Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This boat was ordered with beautiful bimini top and also fishing package. These boats are meant to be simple, so simplicity is key. The fishing package includes these extra rod holders here, removable igloo cooler, fish box up front, and if you come back this way, you've got extra rod holders, 5-gallon buckets, and an aerated live well. This boat is powered with the Mercury 64 stroke, and it's just an absolute classic. These boats last forever. It's an American heirloom, so if you want to come check one out in person, come see me. My name is Jay. Cell phone is 225-806-3403. Thank you.